Health benefits of Arab dates. Arab dates, Phoenix dactylifera, especially varieties like Ajwa, Safawi, Medjool, and Deglet Noor, offer numerous health benefits. 1. Improves heart health rich in potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure, strengthens heart muscles, and reduces the risk of heart diseases. 2. Boosts immunity. Contains antioxidants, flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic compounds that protect the body from viruses and bacteria. Helps reduce inflammation in the body. 3. Supports digestion. High fiber content promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Supports gut microbiota and fights harmful bacteria. 4. Enhances brain function. Improves memory and concentration. Reduces the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 5. Helps control diabetes. Despite being naturally sweet, dates have a low glycemic index and do not cause rapid blood sugar spikes. Beneficial for people with diabetes when consumed in moderation. 6. Increases energy levels. A natural source of fructose and glucose, providing instant energy. Ideal for athletes and people with active lifestyles. 7. Maintains hydration balance. Electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium help regulate the body's water balance. Prevents dehydration, especially in hot climates. 8. Beneficial for pregnant women and children. Helps ease labor and delivery, especially Ajwa dates. Provides essential iron and folic acid for pregnancy. Supports bone and nervous system development in children. Arab dates are a great natural sweetener and can be included in a daily diet. However, they should be consumed in moderation, especially by people with diabetes.